Hey, so this is the Chapter 3 Getting Ready assignment. It's on page 131. So this is an assignment to do before we get into Chapter 3, just to make sure that you know all the information that you need to be successful in Chapter 3. So if you don't get it, make sure to get some help. Come and talk to me, ask your buddy, ask your friend, ask your mom, ask your dog, cat, whatever. So on the first chunk of questions here, 1 through 4, it asks us to evaluate each expression for the given values of the variables. Now they give you this expression. Which one should I do? Maybe number 2. So they give you this expression. That's the expression part. And then after the semicolon right there, they give you some variables. A equals -3 and B equals 4. So what you have to do is put these variables into the equation and then just solve it. So what I'm going to do number 2 here. So this one is 11 times A plus 2B divided, or times the quantity of that, and then plus 2 times the quantity of A minus 2B. Okay, so again, we have to take these variables like -3, and everywhere you see an A, we're going to put that -3 in there. So there's an A there, and there's an A over here. So instead of A's, we're going to put -3 there. And then vice versa for the B equals 4, anywhere you see a 4, you're going to put, or anywhere you see a B, you're going to put a 4 there. Piece of cake? So this one would be 2 times 4 here. Ooh, some ugly writing. And then over here we have 2 times 4 there. Okay, then you just fill in all the other information here. So we had 11 outside here, and we had a plus 2 right there. Okay, so that is basically the hard thinking part of it. The rest of it is just going through the equation and simplifying it. So hopefully you remember like your order of operations, but we need to do the stuff inside the parentheses first before we can touch anything on the outside. So we have 11 times -3, and then let's do this 2 times 4. So that equals 2 times 4 equals 8. And then we have plus 2 times -3. -2 times 4 equals a -8. Alright, so then we still have to just keep on working down the parentheses here. So we have 11 times -3 plus 8 equals 765, a positive 5. And then 2 times -3 minus 8, that equals 9, 10, 11, -11. So we have 11 times 5 here, so that's going to be 55. And then we have 2 times -11, that equals a -22. And then basically we just have 55 minus 22, and that's going to equal 33. Nice. So that is how you do this chunk of problems. The only thing that you might mess you up is these fractions right here. So let me show you that real quick. If you have a 3/5, and what's D in our situation? D's 5. Okay, so let me show you this real quick. If you have 3/5 times 5, what's cool is that all you need to do is take, let me get my highlighter. You just need to take this number divided by this number. Since there are 5s right here, 5 divided by 5 just equals 1. So this stuff just cancels out conveniently. And then you're just left with the 3 here. So that's how you handle those fractions multiplied by a whole number. Okay, so work on these problems, get them done, turn them in, and if you're stuck on the next chunk of problems, then go to the next video.